This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2016 Case SR175 skid steer. It is similar to Bobcat, Caterpillar, New Holland, and more. It's 43,900 Canadian dollars plus tax. It has a 60 horsepower diesel engine with 1,200 hours. It has a 1,750 pound operating capacity. It has a hydraulic attachment coupler, Bobtach, selective joystick controls, ISO pattern or H pattern, and ride control. It has a radio, suspension seat, heat and AC, auxiliary hydraulics, and brand new tires. It is a 2-speed. It's located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It's a great landscaping or snow clearing unit. Please contact us for more information at www.edgeequipmentsales.com.